I can help your children to become the best in mathematics at their school and in their countries. How is that possible? Well, I study the history of the best mathematicians and physicists. That's what I do. Well, I study the history of all of them. But out of studying all of them, I notice a pattern about some of the best. You might be familiar with names like Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, James Clerk Maxwell, Leonard Euler. Who are these people? Ada Lovelace, Bernoulli. Who are these people and why were they so good? As a matter of fact, one of the reasons that AI works is because of some of the names I just mentioned. Who were they and why were they so good? Here's something crazy. None of them learned math the way we teach math today. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be laughing, but none of the best mathematicians learned math simply by a grade-based learning progression. No. Here's how they learn math. Mastery. When you master the first topic, then you go to the second. When you master the second, then you go to the third. You never stop, you just keep going based on mastery. You know, I've been troubled by why is it that we don't have some of the quality of mathematicians and scientists and physicists? Don't get me wrong, we have some great ones today. But I'm just saying, why are we missing some of those pioneers? Now, there are different theories. One of them could be that these guys got the low-hanging fruit, which is the easier things to discover. But I think there's some lessons that if you took from their lives and applied to your child today, your child will be the best in math in no time at their school. Let me give you some practical steps. If a child does not know how to add fractions of unlike denominators, they should not be in algebra class. No. But do you know that there are some schools that allow you to go into algebra after getting a C in pre-algebra without telling you why you got a C, and then you wonder why your child hates math? Well, that's why. Because they didn't master the fundamentals. Okay, in the age of AI, 1 year to complete a math course is outdated. Now, if you complete 4 math courses in a year, that's more reasonable. But sure, let's say two math courses, no problem. Like you should be able to complete Algebra 1 and 2, no problem in a year, right? Now, I've written a program that helps you complete 4 years of math in a year comfortably. Now, if you come to me and say, oh no, Amos, I don't want to do it comfortably. I want to get through 6 years of math in a year. I got you. We could cover 6 years of math in 250 days if you're committed. Now, the point isn't just to accelerate your math learning, though. No, it's also to teach you how to study, how to go back to the things you need to learn, and much more. But the point I'm trying to make is how can we continue in the current paradigm based on the technologies we've received that we can use with AI? The current model doesn't make sense anymore. Help your children stand out. I can help them be the best in math using some of the tools we've built as well as the tutors that I've trained. We want to help millions of children love mathematics and flourish in mathematics by using lessons from the greatest mathematicians, AI tools, and well-trained tutors. That's what I love to do. My name is Amos Tarfa. I look forward to working with you to raise the next generation of scientists, mathematicians, and thinkers who also know the history and philosophy of science, logic, and theology. Take care and have a blessed day.